Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix lagging and dropping frame rate on iPhone. So guys, if your iPhone is experiencing lagging and dropping frame rates, there are several steps you can take to address the issue and improve performance. So in this video I will give you some simple solution from which you can fix the lagging and dropping frame rate issue on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is simply close background apps. Close any unnecessary app on the background. If you are using the multiple app on your iPhone's background, you have to simply close them all. So guys, if this doesn't work, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can help clear temporary files and refresh the system. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone completely and then restart it. If restarting your iPhone doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to update iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after updating the iOS version, then you have to do is free up storage space. Insufficient storage space on the iPhone can impact performance issues. Delete unnecessary apps, photos, videos, and other files to free up the storage. So guys, after trying these four steps, then you have to do is or enable the reduce motion effects. Some visual effects like parallax motions can contribute to lagging. Go to the settings, then go to accessibility. Simply tap on motion and simply enable the reduce motion on the iPhone. So guys, after trying these steps, then you have to do is disable the background app refresh. Turn off background app refresh for apps that don't require it, or simply turn off the background app refresh completely. Simply tap on background app refresh and simply turn it off. So guys, after trying these steps and you're still facing the issue of lagging and dropping frame rates on your iPhone, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on iPhone. Resetting all settings can resolve system related issues. That this will not delete your data but will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and etc. So you have to go to the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix lagging and dropping frame rate on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.